What's up? Welcome back everyone to the Maple review. Today I'm super stoked to be doing a unboxing of some new shoes. I was just sent by Thursday Boots, or should I say Thursday Shoes, I guess. Thursday sent over a bunch of different shoes for me to look over and review, so thank you Thursday for that. The fact that they sent them to me is not gonna change my review or impressions or anything like that at all. So the box is pretty cool. It's like this nice gray with like the sort of flat like gray and gray, which is a vibe. I like it. The box is a little bit beat up just from shipping. Yeah, I mean, cool box, pretty simple. So let's jump in. I want to give a big shout out to Ranger Station for sponsoring the Maple review and sending me some awesome cologne, some candles, and some other stuff. Ranger Station is a local company here based out of Nashville, Tennessee that makes high-end, really well-curated fragrances for candles, colognes, perfumes. They all smell amazing and the branding is super cool. The people behind the company are awesome. And it's some of the best smelling scents, both candles and colognes I've ever smelled. So definitely check them out. It's Ranger Station, based here out of Nashville, and big thanks to them for sponsoring the Maple review. So the first thing that you'll see in pretty much all your Thursday products that you order is there's gonna be this little card here. That is the Thursday Quality Guarantee card, if you can see that. And it's pretty cool. It just says that basically they're handcrafted in small batches, and then the person who quality guaranteed them signs it. It's a cool little touch, kind of show you that they take their quality serious. Next thing that's in here is this little, I guess, tote bag, which is a cool little touch. Probably will never use it, but it's cool that they send it. Definitely doesn't hurt. And then, voila. These are the Thursday sneakers, which I'm really intrigued to try because I'm a big fan of like this whole white leather sneaker thing that's going on right now, as well as the other colors, but I'm a big fan of Common Projects. I just haven't bought any yet because they're super expensive. But that being said, I might have to get them because I really am curious to compare them to these. But initial impression is they look fire. They definitely look fuego. I like them a lot. They're very clean, they're very sleek. They're very minimalistic, even compared to some of the other white sneakers. There's like no branding anywhere on them besides right here, which you can probably barely see. But yeah, they're just super sleek, super nice. I really like this inside here, this nice touch with like this quality sort of tan leather. It's just a pretty color. It says Thursday on the inside. It's really soft. All the leather's really soft. The laces feel like good quality. Yeah, I mean, I think that these are, you know, honestly exceeding my expectations as far as just the looks go. First impression, I really like how sleek they are. They have a really good silhouette to them. Sort of very balanced feeling, very minimalistic. There's only just a handful of stitches on the whole shoe. So yeah, I mean, I think that they look freaking awesome. You know, the boxing presentation, kind of like as you can expect Thursday, it's solid, but it's not gonna like blow you away. They aim to make really quality products and take out all the bells and whistles you don't need, so it's more affordable. So, I mean, it's kind of in line with their business model, but yeah, I mean, I think these shoes are really, really good looking. I love them. I'm gonna try these on and kind of give some initial feedback on how they fit, how they feel, and yeah, initial looks on the feet. So let's get right at that. All right, so let's get on to the initial try on here. I'm gonna put these on, kind of see how they feel, how they fit, and how they look on the foot. So without further ado. All right, nice. So first impression, as soon as I slide it on the foot, is it feels much better than expected. I kind of honestly expected these to fit just like Vans Classics and just kind of be super minimalistic. But they have like some cushion, some padding to them, and they feel better than just a standard like flat shoe like a Vans. So size-wise, my right foot is my bigger foot, and it does feel a little bit tight on the right foot, but my left foot is smaller, so let's see. Left foot feels great. I would say it's a little bit tight on the right foot, but perfect fit on the left foot. And these laces feel great too. They're good quality lace. They're not just like your basic white lace. I don't know what kind of material they are. I'll have to look into that in the review, but yeah, initial impressions is, man, they look great. They really feel great. They feel way better than expected, to be honest with you. These are actually comfortable. They're not like a flat band. There's like some insole cushion here, so yeah, I think looking from the top down here, I think they look really great. They look really balanced. They're not too slim, they're not too wide. They really kind of fit like a Vans classic low top, like kind of right that medium, like a little bit of padding and a little bit of substance, but not too fat or too thin. So I like that. As you can see, they look really balanced. I think that they look super slick. They work really well for dressing up or down, like any white leather sneaker, but these especially have that good quality to them. I think that they just do really well for whether it's business casual, super casual, or sort of an outfit like this. They look great. So yeah, first impression is great. I think they look great. They feel way better than I expected. Beautiful silhouette, good quality materials. Like the laces a lot. They feel like they're gonna actually, you know, stay tied. And yeah, excited to break these in. Keep an eye out. I'm gonna wear these for probably a good 2-3 weeks, maybe even a month, just until I really got a feel for them and I feel like they're fully broken in, and then I'm gonna come back and give a full review on these. So do subscribe to the channel. We're on that race to 100K and we're so close. We're gonna do some crazy giveaways once we get there. So subscribe, follow for more content. I'm also going to be doing a lot more sneaker videos. It's something I've been getting into a little bit more here and there. So if you're interested in sneakers at all, definitely stay tuned into the channel. I got some different ones that I'm going to be talking about, reviewing, that I picked up here soon. And comment below if you're interested in seeing a video comparing these to like the Common Projects or the Oliver Campbells. If that's something people want to see, then I'll definitely bite the bullet and buy some of those, because I'm really curious how these are going to hold up, because with these coming in at just $129 versus the Common Projects are, I think, like $400 or something like that. Like, comment, and subscribe and all of that YouTube stuff, and we're going to get the channel popping off again. There's going to be some great stuff coming in. So yeah, stay tuned. See you next time.